Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Friday afternoon and I'm done work for the day. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm already home and I'm ready to chill out for the weekend. I got the entire weekend off. What a great weekend this is going to be. I'm giving away a tool this week. Now, the last 2 weeks I gave away Amazon gift card codes. One of them I hid the code in the video. It was in the window jamb of the mobile manufactured home where we're putting the vinyl railings in. The second time we were overboarding a ceiling and I hid an Amazon gift card on the bridge. I believe it's at like the 6-minute mark or 7-minute mark, somewhere right around there. This week, we're giving away 3 tools and 3 people don't get them, just you get them if you win. All 3 tools are going to one person. So here's how it works. You have to like our Facebook page. Now, I'm going to put a link down here of where you can find us on Facebook, but I'm sure you're not stupid. You can probably find us anyway. But the link's at the bottom of the screen so that you can easily get there. Now, once you navigate to our Facebook page, go ahead and give it a like. After you like the page, look at our last 2 weeks worth of posts, okay? One of those posts is going to have a hint in it. So you're going to find the hint. It's going to be pretty obvious. It's going to say hint in all capital letters. If you find the hint, it's going to give you some information that will help you find what you're looking for. Now this week's going to be a little different because the last 2 weeks, the first week, everybody had a little bit of difficulty finding the code, but somebody found it the same night. The second week, somebody found it really fast, and it was hidden pretty well. In fact, one of my viewers and subscribers, and Rich, you know who you are, messaged me and said, man, you are the master of hiding shit. Because it was really hidden good. At least I thought so, and Rich thought so. But anyway, this week, in order to win these tools, you have to like the Facebook page. You got to find the hint. You don't have to find the hint in the Facebook page, but the hint will help you. Scroll down the last couple of weeks, find that hint. Once you find that hint, you have to comment on that post just saying gotcha or got it. Say got it. Because I want to know that you were there and actually got the hint. Okay, I want to see how many people got the hint. Then you're going to go to our YouTube channel, which is where you're at right now, and you're going to subscribe. You have to be a current subscriber. I do not give gifts away to people who are not subscribed to my channel. And you got to find a video. Now, I'm not going to tell you how soon or how long ago I made the video. I'm just going to tell you there's a video, and in the video I reference thinking outside the box. Thinking outside the box. So you got to think outside the box to find the video of me thinking outside the box. And when you find that video, in that video, at one point, you are going to see a roll of tape. And I'm not going to tell you whether it's electrical tape, whether it's painter's tape, whether it's stucco tape, whether it's duct tape, whether it's masking tape. There's a roll of tape, okay? You got to give me the exact minute and second that that tape shows up in the video, the very first time you see it. And you got to give me 4 details about it. And they have to be unique details. And it can't be something like the tape was on a round dispenser, or the tape was round, or the tape was sticky. None of that stuff's going to work. It has to let me know that you know exactly what tape we're talking about. You know, the tape was hanging from a light, or the tape was stuck to the wall. The roll of tape was stuck to the wall next to the picture of the clown. Something detailed. 4 things about that tape. And you have to send them to me through Facebook Messenger. So you're going to like the Facebook page, find the hint on the Facebook page, comment got it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, find the video where I'm thinking outside the box, and send me a message in Facebook Messenger with your name, address, so I can mail you the tools. If you don't give me your address, I can't mail them to you. And I'm not going to do nothing with your address. I'm going to have Amazon ship you the item, and that's the last time I'm ever going to use your address. I'm not going to sign you up for like weird magazine subscriptions or anything. But you only have to give me the address if you find the information and you wanna try to win. You don't have to I don't want everybody's address. Don't just start sending me random addresses. You're gonna have to give me the information. So in that same Facebook message, after you give me your name and address, you're gonna give me the minutes and seconds that you find it in the video, and you're gonna give me 4 details to let me know that you know exactly what you're talking about that roll of tape. After you do that, I will let you know whether you won or not. Now, there's no second place winners. So if you're the second or third or fourth or 10th person to message me, I'm just going to say somebody's already won it. There's only going to be one winner. Now, if for some reason the one winner does not give me an address or give me a zip code with the address, I will do my best to rectify that. I'll send the person a message. I'll say, hey, listen, this is missing, your state's missing, whatever's missing, something's missing, or whatever. But if you don't have the 4 details plus the minutes and seconds, you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, you're not liking the Facebook page, you lose. It'll go to the next person. You have to do all of those things. Okay? That's very important. The last thing you're going to do before I ship it to you is once I tell you, yeah, you know what? You won this. You're the winner. You're the top dude here, or dudette, whatever. Once I tell you that you won, you have to put a positive comment in today's YouTube video that we released, okay? Now, this video that I released today is the last in a very big series of the Bristol house remodel, okay? We are tiling the backsplash in the kitchen, and then all the final videos of the kitchen and everything, living room, all of that, you're going to see. You're going to get to see what the whole house looks like as the final pictures were taken, okay? Now, I don't know if you watched the whole series. It's really worth a watch. Some of them might be a little boring here or there, but to get to see the transformation from this house that went from like, ugh, to really, really beautiful, it's worth watching. And there's a few tips along the way as well. I try to educate in my videos so that you have something, you take something out of it, okay? Like the Facebook page, find the hint, reply got it. Subscribe to YouTube, okay? Find the video where I'm thinking outside the box. The exact minute and second where the tape shows up. 4 details that are not obvious, that are not like general about the tape. 4 non-general details about the tape. I'll let you know whether you win when you send me your Facebook Messenger message with your name, address, and all of your guesses. If you want to wait with the address until you guess, that's fine. If you win, I'll ask you for your address. You don't have to give it to me up front. Once you win, once I say, hey, you know what, you won, I will not ship this item to you until you leave a positive comment on today's video. Something nice about today's video, okay? I hope all of you have a good time doing this. It's a whole lot of fun. It's like an Easter egg hunt for adults. Now, what are you getting? What kind of tool are you getting? I could give you a guy that used to live down the street. He's quite a tool, but he's moved away, so we're not going to be giving him away. But anyway, I'm going to be giving you 3 tools. The first tool is a 10-inch contour gauge. Now, I don't know if you've seen one of them, but a contour gauge is this device that you sit on the floor and you push it up against a heating radiator, a heating vent, plumbing, anything that's an obstruction. And this is great for when you're like trying to put flooring in or tile or anything like that. If you're trying to mimic the shape of something, like if you have molding and you're trying to mimic that shape, you can use the tool for that too. And you push it up against it and all these pins push out the other side and it creates a exact detail of what you would need to trace out onto a tile or a piece of flooring to cut it out to fit around that. Or on the opposite side of the tool, it gets the exact contour so that you could actually cut out that shape in something if you wanted to, okay? So it gives you the positive and the negative of that shape. I'm also going to give you a 5-inch contour gauge, The 5-inch one is smaller so that you can fit it into spots that are a little bit, you know, narrower or tinier where the 10-inch won't fit. So you get a 10-inch and a 5-inch. And you're also going to get an angle finding ruler. Now, these are really good. An angle finding ruler is 4 rulers that are connected together with these little set knobs. And you loosen them all up, and you could literally, if you have like a missing brick that's a triangle shape or anything, you could line them up so that they take the shape of that triangle. You tighten everything down, and you can trace it onto a piece of brick, onto a piece of tile, anything you want. It's great for finding angles. These are 3 great tools for finding angles. So I hope somebody wins this. I hope it's not like, hey, like last week, the guy won it in like the first, I don't know, hour or 2. It was like so quick, it was ridiculous. And then Richard was like, man, that was a hard one, I couldn't find it. Even after I told him where it was, he had a hard time finding it. And I don't want to make it sound like I know this Richard guy. He's just a subscriber, and he chats with me a little bit, and seems like a nice guy. And I know you're watching, Rich, so that's why I'm saying all this nice stuff about you. No, he seems like a nice guy, and he creates dialogue. He likes to communicate, and that's something that I'm real big on. So, you know, commenting on Facebook, leaving comments in the video, it's not to make me feel good. It's to create a dialogue and get people communicating and talking. It's social media. You're supposed to be social to some extent, okay? So with all that said, good luck. It's going to be fun watching. And this item is going to be shipped immediately after I have your address, have all of you've done all the steps properly, you've found everything you were supposed to find, and I think it's legit. Good luck. It's not as easy as last week. It's not as easy as the week before that, but it's not as difficult as I can get.